They come on stage. Nobody clap for me. Nobody fence for me. Now so the country had wish. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you don't know me, they call me a big joke. They call me a big joke. I'm a big boy. No say the way this country take art. I don't understand. This country art well. When I know say this country really hard. Now when I go buy egg roll. When I open the egg roll, I no see egg. Wait till I see na garden egg. Now when I return, I say, young man, do I say yes? I bought this egg roll. When I open it, I saw garden egg instead of egg. Now the woman God ask me say, hey. Now wait till be the different. I say, madam, at the garden, no. She say, okay, eat the egg, make you leave the garden. This country hard, well. That time we say, Gulo Jonathan dey sit. Oh God. That time we say, Jonathan dey. My mama go cook egusi soup today. She go warm am tomorrow, the soup don't finish. Since when Buhari enter, everything change. Only my mama go cook egusi soup today. She go warm am. I go come out for egusi enter gbolo. She go dey warm am. He go come out for gbolo. Enter banga soup. The one wey make me vex na when my mama warm the banga soup. The thing come out for banga enter nkwobi as a show. The thing provoke me now. I carry the pot of soup and go to away. Now my mama tell me say go keep the pot. When I keep the pot of soup, I stop. My mama go buy 3 tomatoes and pepper put inside. The thing turn to stew. This country hard. Well. Now that I say over last week Wednesday, I dey travel dey go Port Harcourt. As we dey go Port Harcourt, armed robber for nowhere come outside dey attack our bus. They shoot. And like driver no one stop. Finally, they can't catch our bus. Everybody come down. Everybody come in a straight line. Everybody dey for straight line, they fear. See when armed robber will go. When armed robber search the full bus. Money where they see now 2,500. See when armed robber come the vest. When they don't get money, they go their house and make some bullet happy. We are making a give us money for bullet. 2 years ago, that's why my name is Chididu. They say Chinigini. Kill him, they kill him. Pa. Now they ask one woman. They say, young woman, the woman say yes, what's her name? Now the woman say, my name is Karo. As the one shoot him. That mother cause her. Now my mama name be that. Come like this, we know we'll kill you. They no kill the woman. Now they ask one guy. They say, young that say yes, what's the name? The guy said, my name is Samuel, but my friends they call me Karo. They shoot the guy. Pa! You're a fool. Over armed robber self laugh. Armed robber say, boy, people they lie for this country. Armed robber go say, okay, no wahala. We no go ask on our name again. We go ask on the fan. We go ask on the fan. Maybe say na the spot. See when armed robber they ask people that fan. You young man that say yes, what fan are you? That shut up Chelsea, they shoot them. Pa, useless fan. That's another person. You young man, what fan are you? All Barcelona, they shoot them. Pa, that is useless fan. Now they go ask one guy. The guy got a thing, the guy fan, we say all these ritualists, armed robber, they support. They say, what fan are you? That say up man you, I shop. Now one armed robber, they shout, kill him. Now then bust my ticket, They shoot the guy for a 2 inch. Papa, you are a fool. Now they go ask me. You know, some big comedian, they talk rubbish. They say, you, what fan are you? We fear now, shut and stand the fan, I'm not basa, now only in get sense. Go like this, we no go kill you. Now they go ask one boy where dey my bag. The guy say, the boy say stand the fan, they leave him. They say young man, one fan, the boy say I'm a silly fan. They shoot am for brain. You are a fool. But the way this God, if no sir they try clap for me, I beg. Now response for the way this country take hard, country hard though. Ibokwenu. Aibo people know there. Cha 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 Ibokwenu. Aibo people there. Arararara. Yoruba no dey. Inside Igbo and Yoruba get Ebola. You say? Inside Igbo and Yoruba get Ebola. Yoruba be no wahala, we go spell Ebola together. E-B-O-L-A, Ebola be. Where come the E, where dey the front, wetin we mean? Bola. Where come the B, wetin we mean? Ola. Where come the O, wetin we mean? La. You go call the person like Fashola, Bisiola, Olamide. You command the L, wetin we mean? You hear something like Ambode, Hafiz. Now, if I call Igbo man area, Shatibo, Lekki phase 1, Victoria Island, Ikeja, Ikoyi, GRA. Now that kind area, Igbo people they stay. When you hear Yoruba area, Sha Yoruba, Okoko, Iyanoba, Egbeda, Ajegule, Moshi. The only island where Yoruba gets na be Ikorodu. When you hear Igbo man moto, Shatibo, Range Rover Sport, Land Rover, Acura, Lexus 350, Venza, Ducati, X6, Infinity, Highlander, Mercedes Benz. When you hear Yoruba moto, you moto like Sienna, Peugeot, Volvo, Passat, Danfo, Keke, Okada, Caterpillar. You hear Igbo man business. You hear business like exporter and importer, oil and gas, electronics. You hear Yoruba business. You hear business like conductor, agbero, vulcanizer, omonile, picking pocket, baba Ijebu, babalawo, oro. You hear Igbo man drink. The kind drink wey say the man dey drink. You hear drink like Jack Daniel, NSC, Moet, VSOP, 8 of Spain, Campari. You hear Yoruba drink. The kind drink wey say Yoruba dey drink. You hear drink like Baby Oku, Agbo Jedi, Orimalu, Bajinotu, Opei, Makite. Which one again? Alamo, thank you. Which one? Atapia bros weekend. But this country I do. When I dey yab Yoruba, one guy for nowhere cause no problem, we go crash you. I remember when I go Ikorodu, I dey yab one Yoruba man for the show. The man dey laugh, dey give me hand. Continue. I no know say na the man be king of Agbero for that year. When I crack Joe finish, they go outside, when enter my car. From I get can I no believe. I be big boy yo. I be Yahoo guy, bros. Look, I be Yahoo boy. As I went enter my car, from nowhere, from back, now I come the hear voice. Omo you Wambi. When I look back, now the Yoruba man why they yap. Now the man ask me one question wey shock me. He say, "Are you the comedian inside?" I say, "Yes, sir." He say, We are the comedian outside. That one shocked me. The man asked me another question again. He said, he don't draw tattoo before. I say no. He said, am I worry? We go draw and give you free, no go pay. Oh, yeah, lie down. I dey do gra gra. I just slap from back. Oh, they say make you lie down. Nobody tell me to push it. I push it lie down. I don't know why I say some Yoruba boys, they no get sense. One Yoruba guy for nowhere come go outside, carry bottle. I dey come. Make a collect bottle. The guy, boss, I want crack joke. Borrow me one bottle. Empty one. No one I still come up for stage. One Yoruba guy for nowhere come go outside, carry coke bottle, break. Pa, come back. Now the guy calls me. He say, Kilo Ukore. It means wetin be your name? I say my name na AB Joke. He say AB Joke. I go spell your name for your back. So when the guy come, they write my name with bottle for my back. For your mind the funny abi. Now you don't write A, B. Oh, but this your name go long go. Now you don't write AB, remain Joke. I don't know say the boy no go school. Joke wey be J-O-K-E, idiot, go write J-O-H-D-W. I don't know say one of them go school. That goes what take me mistake? Now J-O-K-E goes am I worry? Make a cancel. Ladies and gentlemen, because of time, God bless you. My name is Suleiman AB Joke.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Stephen Alajemba, known as the Dr. Uwezuoke. I greet every one of you. I can say God bless every one of you, mostly Pan-African Radio and TV. Keep on, ride on, go ahead with whatever you are doing. We are hearing your voices on the air. Thank you very much.
Biko, ana menna leta bulu fuwai. Ewo shata bonile no here. Woke fo fuwai. Woke 3 wotu wai. Woke ona batalia. Ona aloba aloko ona batalia. Odo ko muwai. Ona bawa kando piwa kando necha. Emo muwai onecha na di very stubborn. Ewo she Lagos babe. Yichi body very simple. He me go di a compliment or say thank you. Baby, you are looking. I like your hair. Wow, that's wonderful. Keep it up. Oh my God, thank you. Very simple. Port Harcourt babe, the same thing. Abuja babe, the same thing. Try her with Wada or nature. Just each a compliment and I see what I'm baby, I like your hair. I can even messy or Basadi or Sigi. Or Sigi. No, not Chondo, no, not the women. Nonsense. Because, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome. Right now, I'm going to introduce the man. The real man, I know here. Oh yeah, they're here. Oh normal. Introduction. Kobia Puoku. No, Kobia recognize here 1 or 2 personnels. This is J-Pack Comedy Launch. Comedy Urban Launch. Oh yeah, Megana Balia. I blend Ria up with because he's into the business. All of us are here to support him. Guy Uwezuoke is already here, but I'm going to give him the microphone. I'm going to bring him to the stage right now to do this introduction properly. Before I always say her state by state, stage by stage, one after the other. Please, ladies and gentlemen. Nae. J-Pack. Alright, please. While we're waiting for him, he's trying to put 1 or 2 things together. the next people that are going to perform right now. Please, wherever they are, fearless dancers.